Grow your business with social proof. I'm going to show you an easy and free way to add testimonials to your website. So I'm here at famewall.io and I've already signed up for an account. And here on my home page, I'm just going to click, and I want to import testimonials from my Google reviews. And so I'm going to go to Add Testimonial, and I'm going to find Google reviews. I'm going to put in my business name and then click Search Business. So it's going to get all my Google reviews that are on my Google business profile. That is the correct one. So now it's pulled in all my Google reviews, and I can scroll through and see which ones I want to add to my wall, and I just click Add to Wall. And Add to Wall. So now I've added all the Google reviews that I want to add to my testimonial wall. And here's what they look like. I can rearrange these in any order that I want. I can add some video testimonials as well. I can collect testimonials with this tool. And then I could create a new tab on my website with these testimonials, or there are other widgets that I can use to incorporate these testimonials right on a website page that I already have. So, Famewall, check it out. It might be a great way to add social proof to your website.